Immaculate turnkey home and move-in ready. Great curb appeal and location. Corner lot with full-length covered porch with amazing views of the mountains, sunrises, and sunsets. Open floor plan, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car covered carport. Large living room and dining room combo with ceiling fan, laminate wood flooring throughout. Kitchen with recessed lighting, granite countertops, stainless steel sink, freestanding gas stove, microwave, dishwasher, garbage disposal, pantry, and refrigerator. Indoor laundry room with washer and dryer included and access to the covered carport. Master bedroom with retreat area, great for office or den and wardrobe closet. Master bathroom with granite countertop, vanity, stainless steel sink, garden tub, and shower combo. Guest bedroom with wardrobe closet. Guest bathroom with granite countertop, vanity, copper sink, step-in shower stall. Central heating and AC, also a wall window AC unit in master bedroom. Front and backyards with area for garden and white picket fencing. Shows light and bright. Don't miss out on this beautiful home that is located in an age-qualified 55+ senior community with rent control. Park approval required. Includes the use of both Linda Vista and Fairview amenities. 2 pools,